Yes sir, Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. This video we got a 2003 Toyota Camry, and what we're gonna be doing here is replacing the front brake calipers. Alright, these are part numbers. We're replacing it because these brake calipers are sticking. It's making the brakes smoke. So these are new brake pads and rotors. I've done this job previously. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna knock this out. Let's get it. Alright, we got a 14 mil. I done loosened it up. And that's what's gonna swing that up. I'll remove it, swing it out. Take off these pads. We're gonna get to those bolts there. Oh, 17 mil. Get this other caliper ready, and we're gonna, when we remove it, we're gonna put it in the same position, the same way. It's only one way because this little lip here just goes in this hole, this little stem. Well, we got our part. See what that say? Banjo bolt. If you use the same banjo bolt, it'll void the warranty. So we use this one. Of course, why would you want to use that? Oh, when they give you a new one. So what I'm gonna do right now is just go ahead and mount this up here, and that's that part number for the left. You'll see it says left a L on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this reverse order. Alright, so we're gonna swing this caliper up, put the brake pads on. Went ahead and put some more grease on the pads. And these guide pins are already lubed. Now that we got the pads, caliper on, so we're gonna loosen up this bolt and put it here, put this line over here, go ahead and remove that bolt, get it ready. And what you want to do is put the washer back there first, then you put it through the line with the second washer already down here. So basically, boom. You have to stop it from leaking. If you don't do that, it'll leak. Alright, we got it off, and that's a 14 mil. That's gonna get that old one off. And I got the caliper, the line on the caliper. Make sure that's good and tight so it doesn't drip, come out. Now you see it's got two washers, and the first time you couldn't even really see it because it was so flattened. Now that's how it does. Make sure it's not seized to this part of the line up in there with a, because look, that's the old one right there. It get real flat and it was stuck. So you don't want to leave that stuck one on there and put another washer on there, because you won't never get the seal proper and it'll be leaking. So just check both sides of it, make sure both of the washers are off. And that little bolt there turned into 11, so be prepared. 11 millimeter. So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get on the other side and the passenger side, same thing, same procedure. fly through it. Alright, we at this point. We get our new caliper. Part number for that one. Right. Alright, got it in there. Next, we want to go ahead and bleed each brake caliper. Make sure we have fluid flowing through, no air bubbles. You don't want any, you just want a smooth stream of fluid coming out. No air bubbles. And that's when you know that thing is right.